Are you inheriting a home? You're not alone in thinking of selling it. Many people are facing the financial impact of property insurance, taxes, and utilities after inheriting a home. The challenge of higher home prices and mortgage rates, coupled with rising renovation costs, makes it tough to hold on to inherited properties. A Charles Schwab survey reveals that over 3/4 of parents intend to pass down their homes. Surprisingly, about 70% of potential inheritors plan to sell these homes instead of moving in. Why the shift? The cash from selling can provide immediate financial benefits. Selling a home in a desirable location can yield substantial profits. This money can support various goals like building retirement funds and clearing debts. In coastal areas, particularly the Southeast, insurance costs can be exorbitant. Many heirs are choosing to sell homes given these rising expenses. Inflation also escalates repair and maintenance costs, making older properties burdensome. For instance, a real estate agent in Florida mentioned 3 brothers who inherited their grandmother's condo. They were considering renting it, but opted to sell due to the ongoing costs of homeowner association fees and taxes. To recap, if you're inheriting a home, consider your options carefully. Selling can often bring more financial freedom than keeping. If you're in this situation, it's wise to analyze the market and determine what works best for you.